In this video, we listed the 5 best small 3D printer that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. AnkerMake M5 3D Printer. The AnkerMake M5 3D printer offers an upgraded speed of 500 mm per second with the PowerBoost 2.0 technology, enhancing power output by 30% compared to its predecessor. This increase in power allows for doubled printing speed and acceleration without compromising print quality. The printer boasts precise 0.1 mm detail due to its ultra-direct extruder and die-cast aluminum alloy structure, ensuring stability and quality even at high speeds. Additionally, the M5 features an error detection system that calculates a printing plan and uses an integrated intelligent camera to ensure the model matches the design. Real-time notifications are provided to auto-pause prints when errors such as failing to stick to the print bed, spaghetti messes, or extruder jams are detected. The integrated die-cast aluminum alloy structure and Z-axis design contribute to stability during fast printing speeds and turbo acceleration, with a large print size of 235 by 235 by 250 mm. The printer offers easy assembly, allowing users to start printing within 15 minutes. Number 2. Mini 3D Printers Tina 2. The Mini 3D Printer Tina 2 is designed to be a user-friendly 3D printer suitable for beginners. It comes fully assembled and ready to use out of the box, allowing users to start printing within minutes. The printer features auto-leveling capabilities with a magnetic build plate, eliminating the need for manual bed leveling and enabling easy model removal. One of its key features is the dual Z-axis rails, which enhance printing precision and stability, making it ideal for beginners and DIY enthusiasts. The compact design of the printer makes it lightweight, portable, and suitable for various settings such as homes, classrooms, offices, and dorm rooms. Equipped with a 2.4-inch LCD screen and Wibuliter slicer software, the printer supports offline printing via microSD card. It also offers the convenience of resume printing after power outages or interruptions. Additionally, the printer is designed for easy filament loading and operation, making it a perfect gift for beginners and children interested in 3D printing. Number 3. ELEGOO Mars 4 Max MSLA 3D Printer. The ELEGOO Mars 4 Max MSLA 3D printer is equipped with a 9.1-inch monochrome LCD screen with a high resolution of 5760 by 3600 and an XY resolution of 34 It boasts a printing speed of up to 70 mm per H. The printer features a 9H hardness tempered glass to protect the LCD screen from scratches and damage caused by resin. Utilizing the COB plus refractive light source technology, the printer ensures that the emitted 405 nanometers wavelength beam is uniform across the entire LCD screen, resulting in finer and more realistic details on printed models. The large build volume of 195.84 by 122.4 by 150 mm allows for printing large models or multiple parts simultaneously, enhancing productivity. Efficient heat dissipation is achieved through a double fan cooling system, contributing to faster air circulation and higher heat dissipation efficiency, thus extending the printer's service life. The printer comes with Voxel's Tango software, offering 3 printing modes and supporting multiple slicing software without restrictions, enhancing the user's printing experience. Number 4. Monoprice Voxel 3D Printer. The Monoprice Voxel 3D printer features a quick-change nozzle that allows for easy and tool-free replacement in seconds. Its heated, flexible, and removable build plate simplifies model removal by flexing to dislodge the model. The build plate can be heated up to 60 degrees Celsius and is replaceable if damaged. The printer comes fully calibrated and ready to print, with the ability to adjust the nozzle to bed distance via the touchscreen interface. It is compatible with various operating systems such as Windows XP/Vista/7/8/10, Mac OS X, and Linux. The printer also offers auto-feeding with a filament sensor, simplifying filament loading and recognizing low filament levels to pause prints until filament is reloaded. For more information, visit the Monoprice website and search for Voxel or use part number 33820 to access the product page and download the latest software and manual. Number 5. FLASHFORGE Adventurer 3 Pro 3D Printer. The FLASHFORGE Adventurer 3 Pro 3D printer is equipped with two nozzles, one at 240 degrees Celsius and the other at 265 degrees Celsius, allowing for versatility in printing different materials. It features a rapid heating capability, reaching 200 degrees Celsius in 60 seconds. The printer comes with a pre-leveled glass bed, reducing warping issues and ensuring a flat surface for printing. Additionally, it includes an HD camera for remote monitoring of the printing process and supports various filament types such as ABS, PLA, PC, PTG, and others. The printer also offers convenient features like filament autoloading and operates quietly at less than 45 dB. FLASHFORGE provides efficient after-sales support, including a 1-month free return and exchange policy, lifetime technical support, a 1-year warranty, and responsive customer service.